How deep is it?
Hold on. Turn around. It'll take some time.
Looks like it's up to your knees.
Yeah. Exactly.
Well, you want a snow, baby, you got it.
I know.
Hey, there's the broom.
I'm gonna throw a snowball at you.
You better not get me wet.
How deep is this now?
Where are you going?
I don't know. I'm walking.
Well, don't tie my broom up.
Alright. I just want to throw this at your face.
Is it wet snow? Can you make a snowman? See if you can make a snowball. Put the broom down a minute and see if you can make a snowball. I bet you can. Alana Justine. You better be glad I can't get out in that, or I'd give you a good snowball battle.
Oh, yeah.
I used to be able to do it and go sleigh riding and everything else till old age hit. Yeah, it's up to your knees. That's got to be over a foot. Now what are you doing?
What do you think I'm doing, Mom?
Watch your mouth. I'm recording this, and you know it's going on Facebook.
Oh crap! I'm coming up.